How to send single email with Mailchimp. So first go to Mailchimp and then just click on create email here at the top right. Okay, now let's just wait. Okay, now here select either from scratch, basic layout, or fully designed template. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to use the basic layout here. Click on it. Then here, just select any of the basic layouts here that you want to use. So for example, I'm going to use this one. Click on apply. And then here you can begin customizing your email. So let's say I'm going to delete some of this. So let's say I'm going to delete this one, delete this one, and yeah. So let's say I'm satisfied with this. You can just click on save and exit here at the top right. Okay, now here you can begin just choosing who you're going to send this email to. So as for me, I don't have any contacts yet, so you can just import your contacts here. So you can select the contact that you want to send the email to. And then here from, this is you, a subject, you can just click on the subject and then add your subject here. And then you can just add your preview text here as well. And then just click on save, okay? So here, as for the send time, if you want to schedule it, you can do that here. If you want to send it now, you can just click on send now. Okay, so that's about it. After that, you can just click on send and you're done. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.